Hello and good morning, welcome to the Masons Kings working demonstration. Here we have a Väderstad Carrier XL525, so 5¼ metre machine. There were a variety of carriers in the range. The XL has a bigger disc, so we have a 610mm disc capable of working sort of in the region of 12 or 14 centimetres deep, something like that, or a maximum of. We have cross-cutter knives on this machine, which are particularly useful for incorporating residues like a green cover crop or vegetables or any standing residue, bean haulm, maize stalks, that sort of thing. Incorporates it into the sill surface. Then the discs here will turn it over and again incorporate more and create a tilth. Followed by that we have the single steel runner, which is giving us a good consolidation to give us a good stale seed bed, ready for drilling or leaving over winter or whatever we really choose to do. But a very versatile carrier machine, available 3 meters to 12.5 in different guises and different models. But today we have the Carrier XL down here at Masons Kings at their working demo.